Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Son CV. We back at it again with another video in the Catless in the Catless Hellcat. Let me get y'all a little pull. Woo! Downshift. But you feel me? We finally went Catless on the scat. We basically gutted some cats like off a scat pack, and we put them on here, you feel me? And it's much louder, you feel me? But in this video, I'm gonna be letting y'all boy hear how the car sound and stuff. I gave y'all the cold start and some revs and stuff in the garage. That shit was loud as hell. I had to close my ears on everything. But yeah, before we get too far in the video, make sure that y'all boy like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so y'all know whenever I post, you feel me? This. Like, y'all hear that, bro? That don't sound too crazy, bro. Let me go ahead and put my seatbelt on. The reason why I'm really leaving the house this morning, you feel me, is because I had to order me another Insta360 mount, and when I ordered it, I got it sent to the house that I used to stay at. I don't know why my Amazon keep doing it. I could have sworn that I deleted the old address, but for some reason it still put it at the old address, and I got ADHD, so I think I did what I was supposed to do, but at the same time I don't know, because I be messed up in the head. So feel me? That's where we're headed to. And I'm like, shit, we ain't finna waste no drive. We finna record. And we just got them Catless, them gutted cats put on. I do gotta check engine light. I gotta put my O2 extenders on. It's just I didn't have a drill bit big enough to drill them in, and I thought I did. So we will try to get that fixed out. Y'all hear them little burbles. I don't got no tires, so I can't go too crazy either. And it's cold as hell outside. But you feel I'm still recording. No doubt. Let me know how y'all think it sounds. I'm gonna put it in trap mode and see do that make any difference. Hold on, let me see. You know we gotta cut traction off. I also gotta get some rear control arms, because it's like when I got traction control on, and I like stab the gas, I got wheel hop. And if I'm bagging up and like I press the gas a little bit when I'm bagging up, I hear a clunk. So I'm thinking that's the control arm. That's what a couple of people have told me. So I'm pretty sure we got to get some rear control arm. No, I ain't hit no curb or that, nigga. The shit just worn out. But that's no big deal. You feel me? Hopefully my tie don't pop. Woo! It's cold as hell, but I'm trying to get out more of that content. I don't know what that nigga over there doing. That nigga got an instant 360 mount on the kill. I heard that. He probably made some good content with that bitch. You never know. We'll get off right here. But it's too cold, bro. I don't even know how I'm doing this, but I'll do anything for y'all niggas. There's a sheriff over there. I gotta get away from his ass. That nigga probably want all the smoke. It's New Year's. I know he got some tickets to give out. Oh, I gotta put my hood on at least. Damn! It crazy, like the weather in Alabama be so all over the place. I am gonna be giving y'all boys a video talking about the truth about me going to jail. I might do it today after I make this video, who knows? Down shoes. Let me know how it sounds too. If y'all hear the difference. Slow down now before we fly off a goddamn cliff. Underpass, come on. Here we go. Underpass down shoot. I'm trying to get these folks some space. I'm gonna do like a little pool. We gotta let the windows up for a minute though. Cause it's too goddamn cold. Turn the heat on or something. I gotta put that bit on max. I might have to have the heat on while I got the windows down. But I'm gonna do it after I do this little pool on the road since it's a lot of space. Now my tire pop, because I am on wires, y'all. If my tire pop going at 120 miles per hour, nigga, y'all just gonna see nothing. I'ma either be dead or goddamn a nigga gonna be in intensive care. No cap. But y'all will see what the hell gonna happen. Let's see. What lane is the best? Probably the left one. I need to let these niggas get some space. I can't go no faster. I'm scared. I don't want that bit to pop on my I don't want that bit to pop on my ass. Oh God. That bit was feeling rough as hell. When your tires get in bad shape, nigga, you feel that shit on the road, bro. It feel like your ass driving over goddamn. It seems like your tire got knots and shit on it. The ride be so unsmooth. Shit crazy. There go my nigga Fat right there. That 5-0 motherfucker. I do think Catless mint pipes are much louder for some reason. I don't know though. It should be much louder. So I might end up in the future going on Catless mint pipes. I really don't want to go Catless, so I get a flame kit, so I get y'all boys some different content. And do the loud ass pop when I pull up next to niggas in traffic on everything. That shit gonna be funny as hell. Bro, I hate when the packages go to the old house too, bro. That's gonna be annoying. Like what the hell? And I know I took that junk off. I think my Amazon glitched out for real, for real. Shit, I might put on that. I might use the 360 camera on my way back to the house. Shit, you never know.